How are you? Fine. How are you? Fine. How are you?
Fine.
That word again. Fine. But inside, you are exhausted, a little anxious, maybe even proud of yourself. But you only have one word.
Fine.
Welcome to Easy English Leap. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Today, we are going beyond fine.
Today, 4 emotion groups, 20 new vocabulary words, real conversations, 6 sentence patterns, and a word tour with 10 powerful words at the end.
Big episode. Let's go.
Before we start, I want to ask you something. When was the last time you described a feeling in English? Not just said fine or good or bad, really described it.
I think most learners say fine, even when they feel 10 different things at once.
Because they know fine, they don't know the other words.
Exactly.
So today I want you to think about emotions like colors.
Colors?
If you only know 2 colors, black and white, everything looks simple, happy or sad.
But real life is not black and white.
No. Real life is orange and blue and dusty purple, and that strange yellow-green that doesn't have a name. Emotions are the same. Fine is black and white. Today we give you the full color palette.
I love that. Okay, let me tell you a quick story.
Tell me.
A few years ago, I had a big exam, my English speaking exam. And before I walked in, my teacher stopped me. She said, "How are you feeling?"
And you said?
Fine.
Right.
But I was not fine. I was absolutely terrified. My hands were shaking, my heart was pounding. I couldn't sleep the night before. But I didn't have the words. I only had fine.
That is the fine problem. You feel enormous things, and you compress them into one tiny word, and that word says nothing.
So today, we fix that.
Section 1. 4 emotion groups. Group 1, the happy family. These are words for when things are going well, but you want to say more than just happy.
First word, content. Content means you feel peaceful and satisfied, not excited, not jumping for joy, just good, settled, like everything is enough.
Example. I feel content just sitting here with a cup of tea and a good book.
Must. Next, grateful. Grateful means you feel deeply thankful, like something good happened and you appreciate it fully.
I feel genuinely grateful for the people in my life.
Can I say something? Grateful is one of those words that feels big when you say it.
It does. It carries weight. Good weight.
Next, relieved. Relieved is that wonderful feeling when something stressful is finally over. The test is done. The difficult conversation is over. The doctor said everything is okay. You breathe.
I felt so relieved when I finally submitted my project.
And the last happy family word, proud. Not showing off. Proud means you did something difficult and you know it.
I am really proud of how far I have come.
That is important to say. Say it.
So Group 1 recap. Content, grateful, relieved, proud. 4 words that go way beyond happy.
Group 2. The difficult family. Words for hard times. More specific than just sad.
First, frustrated. This is when something is not working and you feel stuck or blocked.
I get so frustrated when I know what I want to say, but the words won't come out in English.
Very relatable frustration.
Next, disappointed. This is when you expected something good and it didn't happen. Not angry, just quiet and heavy inside.
I was really disappointed when my plans fell through.
Next, overwhelmed. Overwhelmed is when there is too much. Too much to do, too much to feel, too much to process. You can't organize your thoughts.
I feel completely overwhelmed right before a deadline.
The word completely makes it stronger. You can say a bit overwhelmed or completely overwhelmed.
And the last difficult word, drained. Drained means your energy is completely gone, not just tired, empty, like someone pulled the plug and everything ran out.
I feel drained after a week of early mornings and late nights.
Group 2 recap. Frustrated, disappointed, overwhelmed, drained.
Group 3. Mixed feelings. This is my favorite group.
Mine too. Because sometimes you feel two things at the same time, and that is okay.
First word, conflicted. Conflicted means you feel pulled in two directions. Part of you wants one thing, part of you wants another.
I feel conflicted about leaving my job. I love it, but I need a change.
That is so human.
Next, nostalgic. This is a warm but slightly sad feeling when you remember the past. Old photos, old music, a smell that takes you back.
I get nostalgic every time I hear that song from when I was a student.
Nostalgic is such a beautiful word.
And the last, mixed feeling, bittersweet. This one is happy and sad at the same time. The last day of something wonderful. Finishing a book you loved.
Graduating from university was the most bittersweet moment of my life.
I remember that feeling.
Group 3. Conflicted, nostalgic, bittersweet. Beautiful words for complex moments.
Section 2. Real conversations about feelings. 2 dialogues. Ready?
Ready.
Dialogue 1. 2 friends. One of them has had a very hard week.
Hey, you look tired? Everything okay?
Honestly, not really. I have been feeling completely overwhelmed this week. Work has been non-stop and I haven't slept well.
That sounds exhausting. Are you frustrated with work or just drained from everything?
Both, I think. I'm frustrated because I feel like I'm working so hard and nothing is moving forward. And then I go home and I'm just drained. Nothing left.
I hear you. That combination, frustrated and drained together, is one of the hardest.
Yeah. But you know what? I'm also a tiny bit proud of myself. I kept going even though it was hard.
That is huge. Seriously, you should be proud.
I guess I feel a bit of everything right now.
That is okay. That is called being human.
Okay, let's look at that dialogue. What words did we use? Overwhelmed, exhausted, frustrated, drained, proud. 5 emotion words in one natural conversation.
And it felt real, not like a textbook.
Dialogue 2. Someone is going back to visit their hometown after a long time.
So you're going home next week. How do you feel about it?
Honestly, I feel conflicted. I'm happy to see my family, but the town has changed a lot, and I'm worried it will feel different.
Nostalgic but also nervous?
Exactly. Like I want to go back and feel what I used to feel, but I know it won't be the same.
That sounds bittersweet.
It is. But maybe that's okay. Maybe it's supposed to feel like that. Change is part of life.
I think so. I'm not sad, I'm just aware. Aware that time passes.
That is a very mature way to describe it.
That second dialogue used. Conflicted, nostalgic, bittersweet. Mixed emotions. And notice how the language was honest and soft, not dramatic.
Section 3. Repeat after me, your speaking practice. I will give you a pattern. You fill it in. Your turn.
Pattern 1. I feel blank because, blank. The most direct way to express a feeling. Listen, I feel relieved because the exam is finally over. Now you say it. Pause 4 seconds.
Pattern 2. It's that feeling when, blank. A beautiful, natural English expression. It's that feeling when you finish a long task and you just exhale.
Now your turn. Pause 4 seconds.
Pattern 3. I can't quite explain it, but I feel blank. Perfect for complex emotions. I can't quite explain it, but I feel a bit nostalgic today. Now you, pause 4 seconds.
Pattern 4. I'm a bit blank today. Casual, perfect for friends. I'm a bit drained today, can we keep it low-key?
Your turn.
Pause 4 seconds.
Pattern 5. I've been feeling kind of blank lately. For ongoing feelings, something that has been with you for a while. I've been feeling kind of overwhelmed lately, like too much is happening at once. Now you, pause 4 seconds.
Pattern 6. Honestly, I'm blank. The word honestly makes it feel very real. Honestly, I'm conflicted about this. I can see both sides.
Now you, pause 4 seconds. 6 patterns. You now have 6 ways to talk about how you feel in English. Real ways, not textbook ways.
Section 4. Cultural note. Something important about expressing feelings in English. In some cultures, talking about your feelings is completely normal, even expected. In others, you keep feelings private.
So the question is, when is it appropriate to use these words in English?
Good question. The answer, it depends on the relationship and the context. With close friends, you can say anything. I feel completely drained right now. I've been feeling really nostalgic lately, all of it is fine.
With acquaintances, people you know but are not close to, you can still be honest but lighter. I'm a bit tired this week. I feel a bit off today. Not deep, but real.
What about at work?
At work, you can still express feelings, but frame them professionally. Instead of I'm overwhelmed, say I'm managing a heavy workload right now. Instead of I'm frustrated, say I find this process quite challenging.
You are still honest. Just filtered.
Filtered, not fake. And one more tip. When someone shares a feeling with you, acknowledge it. Don't jump to solutions. Say, that sounds really hard, or I can imagine how you feel, or it makes sense that you feel that way.
These phrases show you are listening. They make the other person feel heard.
And that is what good communication is. Not having answers, just being present.
If you are finding today's lesson useful, please subscribe to Easy English Leap. We publish a new lesson every single day, and every lesson gives you real language for real life. Hit subscribe now.
Word tour time. 10 words, all connected to emotions and feelings. Let's go.
Word 1. Grateful. Deeply thankful. More than just thank you. A feeling that fills you up.
I woke up this morning and felt genuinely grateful for my health. Now you say it. Grateful. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 2. Overwhelmed. Too much of everything. The feeling when life is louder than you can handle.
Sometimes I feel overwhelmed just reading my inbox. Now you say it. Overwhelmed. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 3. Anxious. Worried about something that might happen, or something uncertain. Your body is preparing for danger, even when there is no danger.
I feel anxious before big presentations. Say it. Anxious. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 4. Content. Peaceful. Satisfied. Not wildly happy, just enough.
I'm content with where I am in life right now. Now you. Content. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 5. Frustrated. You want something to happen. It is not happening. That stuck, blocked feeling.
I get frustrated when I make the same mistake twice. Now say it. Frustrated. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 6. Nostalgic. That warm, slightly sad feeling for the past. A memory that makes you smile and ache at the same time.
That old street makes me feel nostalgic. Now you. Nostalgic. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 7. Drained. Your energy is completely gone, empty.
After back-to-back meetings, I always feel completely drained. Now you. Drained. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 8. Relieved. That breath of fresh air when something hard is over. The worry is gone.
I felt so relieved when I got the good news. Now you. Relieved. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 9. Conflicted. Two feelings pulling you in different directions at the same time.
I felt conflicted when I got the job offer abroad. I wanted to go, but I didn't want to leave my family. Now you. Conflicted. Pause 3 seconds.
Word 10. Inspired. Full of energy and ideas. Like someone lit a fire inside you.
I always feel inspired after a great conversation. Now you. Inspired. Pause 3 seconds.
Those are today's 10 words. Grateful. Overwhelmed. Anxious. Content. Frustrated. Nostalgic. Drained. Relieved. Conflicted. Inspired.
Keep them. Use them. They will make you sound like someone who really knows English, not just someone who knows fine.
Let's recap what we covered today. Emotions are like colors. The more words you have, the richer your English becomes.
We learned 4 groups: the happy family, the difficult family, the mixed feelings, and we added 10 powerful words in the word tour.
We practiced 6 sentence patterns. I feel blank because. It's that feeling when. I can't quite explain it, but I'm a bit blank. I've been feeling blank lately. Honestly, I'm blank.
And we talked about when and how to share feelings in different contexts.
Your challenge for today: write one comment below. Tell us how you are feeling right now. Not fine. Use one of today's words. I'm a bit overwhelmed. I feel surprisingly content. I'm honestly just grateful to be here.
Write it. We will read every single one.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. New lesson every day. Real English, real life.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.